Namaskar friends, today we'll be making this wonderful phulka making in a induction cooktop. So how we do this? One of my friend requested, so I am making this recipe. For this recipe we'll need atta and water. Do not put any oil. We tried this recipe with putting the oil also, but it doesn't work out well. So today I am making only with water and atta. We'll knead the dough to a smooth dough as per the phulka recipe. Not very soft, not very hard. In between, you can see this. This is the way we have made, and we'll be eating this for the dinner. And you have to always remember the ring part of the induction should not be more than bigger than the ring of the induction. It has to be very small dough. So this is the size we are going to make. The induction cooktop, on top of that we have put the tawa which is very thin. So the ring part what is there for the induction we have put that particular part only. More bet, the bigger the roti the it will become uncooked. So always remember to make it the same size as the ring of the induction. It's little bit bigger is okay but not that big. So when like this is happen, you have to use the cloth. You can see in one side it is still raw, we have to turn it and do it, that particular part. See how beautifully it has puffed up. The coloring also is so good, you can very well see. The rawness of the phulka should not be visible, that is you have to make understand. Or you have to, now I have put another phulka on that tawa and we will turn it. The tawa is so thin, so if you put extra hot or extra watt, so we are cooking at 500. More than 500 power is not required. So you have to do like this for all the phulkas. You have to control it at 500 only. Sometime 200, sometime 500. More than that it cannot be used, because once you do that it will turn charred or the phulka will get burned. You have to do it slowly and steadily. See, always remember how we do for the pressing in the tawa for the gas. Similarly you have to do the pressing for this phulka also. When the air pockets fills up in one place, you have to press it in such a beautiful manner that the air pockets fills up everywhere. This is still not colored, so I have increased the power to 500. See, in the edges you cannot see any rawness of this particular phulka. See, the coloring is coming, so I have reduced the fire to, you can see it, what is the temperature, what power I am cooking. So this is also done. I'll make one more. You can see all the fulkas what we have, all the dough what we have made will be made similarly in this my induction cooktop on a thin tawa. Actually, what happened during my visit to Kolkata, one day my gas got over and I have made the fulkas similarly for 2 to 3 days and it was coming out well. And this special recipe is for one of my friend who stays in Bangalore has requested me to make this particular recipe for making fulkas at home with this thin tawa. Control of the power is the key to this beautiful fulkas. It should not be very very big. The larger the fulka, the raw part of the edges will remain. So always remember to make the fulka of the size of the ring what is there on the induction cooktop. Not more than that. That is all. If you like this recipe of making fulka on induction, please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends, all the bachelor friends and friends. We will catch you again in a new recipe in Jasri Kadai Katha English. This is for my new channel Jasri Kadai Katha English. So keep watching for new recipes.